Why did the senior refuse to use his new iPad? Because he couldn't find the Apple Source download. And now let us explore 11 practical tips on iPads for seniors. Tip 1. Increase display size. Seniors often struggle with small print and interface elements due to deteriorating eyesight. To help with this, tap on the Settings app on your iPad, then choose Display and Brightness. After that, click on Text Size. You'll then see a slider that will allow you to adjust text size on the iPad set to your comfort level. Tip 2. Enable magnification. For individual sections of the screen that are too difficult to read, Apple has a magnification feature that can help. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Zoom, and enable it by sliding the button. To zoom, double tap with 3 fingers. You can move around by dragging 3 fingers and can adjust zoom level by double tapping 3 fingers and sliding up or down. Tip 3. Enable VoiceOver. If you struggle with reading even after magnifying the text, the VoiceOver feature could be quite useful. It effectively reads out whatever's on the screen. You can enable this feature by going to Settings and Accessibility, VoiceOver. Tip 4. Simplify the home screen. Keep your home screen simple by reducing the number of app icons. This ensures that it's easier to find the apps you use most often. You can remove or add apps using the Edit feature. Tip 5. Use Siri. Siri, the built-in assistant, can enable users to use the iPad hands-free simply by speaking commands. Siri can be used to write messages, make appointments, search the web, and many other tasks. Tip 6. Dictation. The iPad's dictation feature can translate spoken words to written text. This could be useful for composing emails or searching the web. It can be enabled in Settings, Accessories, Keyboard, Enable Dictation. Tip 7. Enable hearing aids. If you have Bluetooth-enabled hearing aids, you can connect them directly to your iPad. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Hearing Devices to connect your hearing aids. Tip 8. Closed captions. Closed captions can be enabled for movies or TV shows. This way you can read what the characters are saying in subtitled text format. Navigate to Settings, Accessibility, Subtitles and Captioning to toggle closed captioning on. Tip 9. Learning gestures. iPad's interface can be navigated using various touchscreen gestures. Take some time to learn the most essential ones, for example, pinching to zoom, swiping to scroll, and tapping to select. Tip 10. Customizing your iPad. The iPad can be customized quite freely. If you're a senior user who only uses a few apps, you might want to remove unnecessary apps from your iPad or download more suitable ones from the Apple App Store. Tip 11. Make sure your iPad is backed up. Ensure that your data is safe just in case your iPad is ever lost, broken, or stolen. Apple's backup feature backs up your apps, data, and settings to iCloud, so it's always a good option to keep it enabled under Settings to your name, iCloud Backup.